Hi everyone, Rainey here, and what I've been doing lately is back up and regroup and fixing little things that need to be done before I can put the plywood on. So let me show you some of the little things I've been working on. So some of the frames weren't wide enough, even though it went according to the plans. You have that happen. It's like maybe, in this case, about quarter to half an inch too narrow. So what I had to do was add strips. So you can see over here, I don't know if you can see this really good, I'll get it a little closer. I added a strip of wood all the way from the bottom to the top. Let me get you a little further here. From the bottom to the top I had to add stripping, and I did it behind here also. Some of the places up here had like maybe quarter inch, or they were a little bit too in or too out, so I've added those in. So that's the parts that I've been doing right here, and also working on getting my keelson level from front to back. Some places I had to shave it down lower. There's a place up in the front and I had to add about a quarter inch piece and glued that in so it all fits straight. Other problem I've been having is with these 1x3 boards that I'm using for the chines, and up here, down here. I used 1x3 strapping, which was really, I should say, too shitty, okay? From the 1x3 strapping, I mean, it wasn't too bad knot-wise, but when you went to bend it, I had a lot of kind of splitting and cracking, so it wasn't really the right kind of wood for that. So I looked at the 1x3, I guess you could say quality board, and that stuff's wicked expensive. So what I went and did was I went out last night and I bought some 2x6 by 12s and 2x6 by 14s, and see, I don't have one with me here, and what I did was I split them in half and this way, so I got 4 1x3s by each one. So I just finished ripping those, and you can see here's 2 of them right here. These are 14 footers, and what I did was I scarfed them. I scarfed them on each end so you can see how it tapers right down. Can you see the taper? I'll put it sideways here. So they tapered right down, so I scarfed them from here to here. And now these 2 are scarfed on both ends. Now if you come over here to the saw, this is the end result of cutting all the 2x6 material into 4s. So I got a bunch of 12s, and I got 4 14 foot long ones. And let's go over here so you can show you what's going on over here. And when you scarf it, of course, this is what's coming out. This is what I'm scarfing off. So the boards are going to stick together like that. And you glue them, and you have one beautiful board. And if you're interested in knowing about my scarfing jig, which is right over here, I have the plans on it on another video labeled scarfing jig. So let me show you how simple that works. Let's see, I'm going to put it over here. What I did was I took my 1x3 and I had to put it on the scarfing jig. And you can see where I clamp it here, here, and here. So I can line it up, and it's that simple. Take these off. And I have one more perfect scarf. This one has also been, this is a 14 foot. This one's been scarfed on both ends. And I did that so I can put these in the middle. And I'm going to put the others, the 12s, on both sides. Now I know I only need 32 foot, But when you start wrapping it around to the bow, you're losing a couple feet. And it needs to extend for the swim platform another 2 feet. So this is the backup and regroup. And on the boat itself, I've been starting to use my my planer, my electric planer, so I can start to plane the edges so the plywood's going to fit. Matter of fact, I'm going to connect these 1x3s together to make my 34, 36 foot long pieces. So I'm going to glue them and have them all straightened out here in the yard. And then I'm going to try to today to attach the keelson, which means I got to straighten it, glue it, and screw that down. And that'll pretty much be it for the day. And then tomorrow I'm going to probably start hitting everything with the planer. So that's the progress we made today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.